Hi guys, here is how you can convert any website to a mobile app. For this video, we will be making an Android app. So basically, we will be converting our own website to an Android app. Please ensure that your website is mobile friendly because it will appear exactly how it appears on your mobile phone. Now we will be using this GitHub repo to convert our website to Android app. This also works for the iPhone, but we will be doing Android. To do that, you first need to download Node.js. So Google Node.js. This is the one. Open the link. Now simply click on Get Node.js and download Windows Installer and install it on your computer. After this is done, you also need Android Studio. Google Android Studio. Open this link and download the Android Studio. With this Android Studio, you can publish the app to the Play Store or also get the APK file which you can distribute. So these tools are must. So once Node.js is installed, open the command prompt from the Start menu and then type npm-v and enter. So in command prompt, you must see this version. If you do not see this, means that Node.js has not been installed. So this is working perfectly fine. After this, download this file, go to code and download zip. The download has been completed, show in folder. So here is the file. Open it and I will extract it to the desktop. Here is the folder. Let me close this. Now open this and copy this location. Right click and copy the address. And on CMD, type cd space Ctrl+V and enter. So we are inside this folder. After that, simply type npm install. This will install all the dependencies required to run the project, and this might take some time. So this is done. After this, type npm run build. Y and enter. So this is also done. After this, again type npx cap sync. This is also done. Now you can open the Android Studio. Make sure you have already installed it. To open the Android Studio, you can also type npx cap open Android and enter. This will open the project on Android Studio. So it is importing Gradle project. This will take some time. Now this is done. Let me quickly connect my Android phone. On your Android, please make sure you have enabled the developers mode and as well the US debugging. Now simply click on this play icon. This will install the app on your mobile phone. So the app has been installed. This is the preview of the app. To make your own app, we need to change the URL to our website. Let me close this CMD. Open this folder. Go to src folder. Go to app. Go to home and open this home.page. I will open it with Notepad++, but you can also use the Notepad. So this is the URL that needs to be changed. Let's add our own website. So copy this and replace it here. This is done and save it. So this is done. Now go back to the Android Studio. We also need to change this app icon and app name. For that, go to App and go to Res and go to Values, go to Strings. Change the app name The Lion to your name. I will change it to Hey Let's Learn Something. And also change this title activity to Hey Let's Learn Something. After this, let's change the icon too. Let me close this. Right click on Raise, go to New and go to Image Assets. And here in Launcher Icons, scroll down and choose your logo. I have my own logo on the desktop. Here is the logo I want to use. Make sure it is at least 512 by 512 pixel PNG file. And here is the preview. Let me trim this logo, adjust this accordingly. Next, and finish. Now let's relaunch the app again. So you can see the splash icon has changed, but this is the old URL and it has not changed. Basically, we need to resync it. So open the CMD, go back to the folder, copy address, cd space Ctrl+V. So we are inside this folder. Now we have to sync it again. First type npm run build and again type npx cap sync. So basically we have to sync it again because we changed the URL. So this is done. Now let's check it again. And you can see here is our website. And this is working perfectly fine. And here is our app logo too. And if you open this, it will open the full website. So please do give it a try. Thank you very much.